trustee log. I'm gonna say I signed out Trinity Nietzsche Reed, Lieutenant Corporal, that gave us that at the time the chaplain wouldn't retire, so I completed my hours, and it due to and I gave myself a demerit to get it done within time, which made me Corporal Lieutenant MP. MP was the part that spared me. Within the Catholic order, if you've ever been married under a Catholic order, by marriage under the Catholic order, that's what and when your marriage is accepted by your native country, the country you're in, and accepted to the Catholic, even under the grounds of this separation and all of that, and you survive. All right, there are two things in closure. Disparity statement, mission statement of disparity. There are two things. The opposite of that is a mission statement and a non-disparity statement. Now there could be vice versa, disparity on one side, non-disparity on the other, or both spared. But if it's not spared on one side, one side is stored to see the other one go. After the order is given, or however it's G'd, you have 7 years at the minimum to 10 years at the max to go through whatever the ex-wife puts you through. After that, directly after that, the very second after that, anything that's done, that's ordered, is done, possibly would be blamed on her, and it would be considered a charge before inquiry, and a near-death experience due to your survival of the order. 7 at the minimum, 10 at the max. I went 15. Listen. I'm not sure about this last house, but that's what's up. Let me see. At confessions, you have to be a true liar. Art of storytelling, actually, for me, is the art of talking without talking. 1.